students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 7, cube and cube roots. So before starting the exercise questions, let's take the introduction about the chapter, that what type of question will deal in this exercise in this chapter. Right? So let's take, as the name suggests, cube and cube root. First of all, cube. You know, student, you have done square and square roots. Square means any number 2 times if you multiply, then that will be the square of a given number. So on the same manner, cube means 3 times. The cube means 3 times of any given number. Suppose I am taking 2. 2 ka cube. How you will write cube? 3 is in power. Fine. So 2 raised to power 3. This is the cube. How you will do? The same number you will multiply with 3. Sometimes what students do, they cube means 3 power. So what they are doing? 2 into 3. They are multiplying with 3. No, we don't have to multiply with 3. We multiply the given number 3 times. 3 bar the given number we have to multiply. That is called cube of a given number. Right? So next topic which we will do in this chapter is perfect cube. Student, as the name suggests, perfect मतलब without any drawback, without any limitation, perfect होना चाहिए. So cube means 3, मतलब कोई भी नंबर है उस अगर वो उनका पेयर जो है 3 की फॉर्म में बने, that is called a perfect cube. And how you will take out perfect cube देखने के लिए there is only one method, that is called prime factorization method. And I hope students everyone know about this method. We will do the LCM with the prime numbers. Then whatever terms are coming out, that will be the perfect cube. अगर 3 की पेयर में, for example, I am giving one example, 216. 216 is a perfect cube or not? Let's take out. Suppose the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? Now, these are the prime factors after the prime factorization of 216. Now, let's take out. Now, हम cube, perfect cube देख रहे हैं, तो इसलिए we'll see the pair. 2 is in pair of 3. 3 is in pair of 3, like in triplet. So, it means, yes, this 216 is a perfect cube. Right, student? Now, next topic is cube root. What is cube root, student? Cube root मतलब अब 216 is a perfect cube, we have seen. अब इसका cube 216 का cube root क्या होगा? It means how you will write, एक हम ये this is a square के जब बाहर हम 3 लिखते हैं, that is the cube root. Cube root of 216 is equals to this only, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This we have taken out, right, for after the prime factorization. Now the cube root is, root में से 3 का पेयर हम निकाला, so 2 will come here and then, so sorry, 2 का पेयर निकाला, ठीक है. Now it is also in 3 group, so 3 के साथ 3 cube root cancel. Now 1 3 will be down, so it means 3 2 is 6. So 216 का cube root is 6. That's it, student. So this is all about cube root. Simply हमें सिर्फ पेयर देखने हैं, पेयर में से एक बाहर निकालेंगे, like in square root we used to do. Right? So these 3 topics. Now coming to our next topic. Now the next topic that we use in the exercise question is that on the basis of perfect cube only. Fine, student. Means the question will be what number you need to add to make a perfect cube. मतलब एक सपोज कोई भी नंबर है, सपोज आई एम हैविंग 379, राइट. 379 आपको बताना है कि परफेक्ट क्यूब, पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखना है परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं. ऑब्वियस होगा, देन इजीली. इफ नॉट, तो क्या इसमें हम ऐड करें, व्हाट विल ऐड इनटू इट सो दैट इट विल बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. So student, as you know, perfect cube means every number should be in the three triplets form, है ना? 3 का group बनना चाहिए. So suppose 379 factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 7, right? I'm not doing prime factorization over here. That will do in the equation. I know you all know, all are familiar about the prime factorization method, right? So suppose these are the prime factorization method. Sorry, this is the these are the prime factors after the prime factorization. Fine. So now for perfect cube, 3 का पेयर है, yes, 1 2, and then as you can see 7 is there, only 2, जबकि perfect cube के लिए हमें एक और 7 we need, right? So क्या हमें जरूरत है ऐड करने की to make it a perfect cube? Obvious है, 1 7, when we add 1 7 into 8, then it will make a perfect cube. Simply करेंगे, सिंपल वही मैथड लाइक अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. बट अगर आपका कुछ भी बच रहा है टू मेक अ ट्रिपलेट, सो नीचे लिख देंगे therefore 7 we need to add to make a given number perfect cube. That's it student, very simple. Now on a vice versa, question will be what we need to divide, what we need to divide to make it to make a given number perfect cube. For example, I'm taking one example 81. ठीक है, बोला क्या मैंने, what we need to divide. ठीक है, अब divide you know student, what we need to add मतलब we will multiply something, and divide बोल रहे हैं तो obvious है हम subtract करेंगे उन numbers को, जो भी extra number होंगे उनको हम minus करेंगे, means remove करेंगे. That's it. Method same ही है. Suppose 81, your 81 prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is the prime factors came for the 81. Right? Now the question is what we need to divide. Okay, first of all to make a perfect cube के लिए 3 का पेयर चाहिए, बन रहा है. What is extra over here? This 3 is extra. राइट अगर ये क्वेश्चन में होता व्हाट वी नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई तो हम 3 3 9 या करेंगे यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई, बट द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वी नीड टू डिवाइड. डिवाइड मतलब सबट्रैक्ट, मतलब हमें रिमूव करना है. ठीक है, सो मींस 3 this number we need to divide with 81 to make it a perfect cube. That's it student, very simple. Okay, ऐड मल्टीप्लाई मतलब हमें वो चीज ऐड करनी पड़ेगी उसमें. ठीक है, सो डिवाइड मींस जो भी एक्स्ट्रा होगा दैट वी नीड टू सबट्रैक्ट, दैट वी नीड टू रिमूव. दैट्स इट स्टूडेंट, टू मेक अ गिवन नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब. बिकॉज परफेक्ट क्यूब एवरी नंबर शुड बी इन ट्रिपलेट फॉर्म, 3 3 का ग्रुप बनना इज वेरी नेसेसरी. Okay student, so this is all about our introduction part or of our exercise questions. Okay, I hope you understood. Now let's quickly start our exercise 7.1. Coming to our exercise 7.1, question number 1 student, which of the following are not perfect cube? You just need to tell they are perfect cube or not. Okay, so how you will see first of all? Yes, with the help of prime factorization method. So first part we have 216. We'll do the 216 का perfect cube. Oh, sorry, we will do the 216 prime factorization. So 2 ones are 2. Now 16 whole number. जब दो नंबर को एक साथ हम डिवाइड करते हैं स्टूडेंट तो in between 0 आता है. Then 2 8s are 16, right? 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again we'll go with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 27, 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. So what are the prime factors for 216? The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now as you can see, every number is in triplet form. They are in group of 3. So what you will write? You can write all numbers are in group of 3. So therefore 216 is a perfect cube. दैट्स इट स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज सिर्फ ये पूछा परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं, क्यूब रूट नहीं पूछा. राइट स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. Very simple. Now coming to second part, 128. Now it again prime factor. 2 6 are 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2. एंड स्टूडेंट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में ये जरूरी है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल नंबर शुड बी प्राइम नंबर्स ओनली, है ना. आई नो यू नो दिस थिंग. नाउ व्हाट आर दी प्राइम फैक्टर्स? 3 3 3 एक पेयर, 2 पेयर. नाउ दिस 2 इज एक्स्ट्रा, it is not in a group of 3. So what you will like? The all numbers are not in group of 3, so therefore 216 is So therefore 128 is not a perfect cube. Very simple student. Very simple. Now coming to our third part, 1000. First of all, पीछे जीरो, जब भी जीरो वाली टर्म होती ना बेटा, अगर दे आर इन ग्रुप ऑफ 3 6 9 तो वो परफेक्ट क्यूब होगा. अंडरस्टूड है. अगर 2 जीरोस होती तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं होता, बिकॉज 2 में पेयर होता है हमेशा स्क्वायर का. ये शॉर्टकट्स हैं फॉर द जीरोस वन टर्म. राइट, सो लेट्स टेक आउट आल्सो 1000 के लिए 1000. 2 5 are 10, 0 0, 2 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. Again 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now with 5 we can do directly because last digit is 5. Divisibility test. You know 5. Now 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now pairing 2 in a 3 group, 5 in a 3 group. Yes, all the numbers are in group of 3. So therefore 1000 is a perfect cube. That's it student. You have to write this line in each and every question. Very simple. Now rest you have 3 more parts of the same question, 4th, 5th and 6th. So these parts are homework for you because the questions are very simple, right? So this is all about question number 1. Now coming to our question number 2. Now student, coming to our question number 2, find the smallest number by which each of the following must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Very simple. Multiply means क्या number we will add. Very simple. Again we need to check the prime factors for this number with the help of prime factorization. So 243, 3 7 8 9, sum of the number 9. So we'll do with divide with 3. 3 8s are 3 1s are again 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are, then 3 3 9s are, and then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now make a pair. 3 3 3, one pair. Now here only 2 pair are there. One pair is missing, means one number is missing to make a pair of 3 numbers. So what you will write as 3 is not in group of 3s. What is this 3s? मतलब triplet one, right? So therefore we must multiply 243 with 3 to make it perfect cube. That's it student. Nothing else, right? So as we have done introduction part, this only. Now coming to second part, 256. Again we'll do the prime factorization for 256. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12, 2 eights are 16, then 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, and then 2 ones are 2. Very simple, this you know. Now make a pair of 3. So 2 group of 3, yes. 2 in a group of 3, yes. Here what is missing? 1 2 is missing. So again you will write, as 2 is not in a group of 3, so we must multiply 256 with 2 to make it a perfect cube. ये तो language better you can write by your own. It is very simple, right? So now coming to third part, 72 student. 2 threes are 6, 7 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2, then 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, then it will go with 3, 3 threes are 9, and then 3 ones are 3. यही दिख रहा है आपको 3 का एक ग्रुप नहीं है, 2 का ग्रुप yes, 3 is less, one number is less in group of 3, right? So again you will write the same line because 3 is not in a group of 3 triplets, you can say. So we must multiply 72 with 3 to make it a perfect cube. Very simple question, students. Again and again the same type of question but in different mode. Okay, so these are 3 parts. 1/4 and 5th part is also there. That is homework for you. For practice, all the questions are very simple, student, and don't forget to write down this last line. Okay, then only it will make a complete question. Right, student? So this is all about question number 2. Now coming to our question number 3. Coming to our question number 3, again same type of question. Just have a look. Find the smallest number by which the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. If you I earlier also told that if you understand the introduction part easily, then exercise question will be very easy for you, right? So this also we have introduced in the introduction part. So must be divided mean again we will do the prime factorization. जो भी extra number होगा that will divide, that will remove, that will subtract. That's it. So what is the equation? 81. So we'll do the prime factorization for 81. 3, 3 twos are 6, 7, 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. So as you can see, the factors are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it means what is extra? 3. 3 is not in a group of 3. So what will subtract it as 3 is not in the group of 3s of triplet. So therefore we must divide 81 by 3 to make it a perfect cube. That's it, student. The wordings are just same only, but multiply कीजिएगा divide. That's it. So 128 second part again we'll do the prime factorization. 2 6 are 12, 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 1s are 2. Now here only 3 group, yes, 3 group, yes. So here is 2 is not in a group of 3s, so therefore we must divide 128 by 2 to make it a perfect cube. Right, student? Now coming to third part, 135. 135, last number is 5, it will go with 5 only. 5 2s are 10, 3 7s are 35, then 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3, right? And clearly you can see 5 is not in a group of 3. So what we divide? We divide with 5 to make 135 a perfect cube. That's it, student. As you can see, equation are just very simple. right? So 1, 2, 3 parts are there. Fourth and fifth part again there are homework for you because the questions are very simple, student, right? So this is all about question number 3. Now coming to our last question. Coming to question number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many more cuboid will he need to form a cube? The student, with these sides of cuboid, he has to make one cube. So obvious है cube बनाने के लिए the every जो भी number है, जो भी thing है, that should be in a 3 pair form, right student? Because what is cube? Perfect cube. Every number is in 3 pair, है ना? So let's see what are the given numbers we have. Given numbers means the question which we have done in 1, 2, 3 that came into the form of word problem, that's it, but the method is just same. See what given numbers are: 5, then 2 and then 5. We can write in such a manner 5 into 2 into 5, right? So given numbers are these. If he has to make a perfect cube या he has to make a cube, तो हमें क्या चाहिए student? What we need? We need a perfect cube pair of every number. जब अगर हम इनका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते student, है ना? प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करते तो हमारे पास अगर ये नंबर आते, so क्या नंबर और हमें चाहिए थे? But we required more number. Obvious, as the given numbers are not in group of threes, right? So therefore we must multiply, क्योंकि obvious हमें चाहिए तो हम multiply करेंगे student, add करेंगे. So we must multiply. How many 2 are there? 1. तो कितने required है? 2 more. And 5 pair का में 1 is missing. So into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So we must multiply with 20 to make it a cube. Right? So what is the question? How many more cuboid will he need? Therefore, he needed 20 cuboid. That's it student. We have written the question we have written this solution according to the given question. But the method is just same only. Right? I hope you got this question, and this is the last part, last question for exercise 7.1. And today we have completed exercise 7.1. I hope you understood the topic student, which was very simple. So for today's class, this much only. We will be meeting for next video for next exercise. So till then, stay home, stay happy, do your work on time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye students.